The straight arm plank to forearm plank on knees is a modified version for beginners or anyone looking to build foundational core strength without the added challenge of a full plank. Here's how to do it properly. Get into a straight arm plank position on your knees by placing your hands directly under your shoulders with your arms fully extended and your fingers spread wide for stability. Keep your knees on the ground and your feet lifted. Engage your core. Squeeze your glutes to avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your knees. To transition to the forearm plank position on your knees, lower your left forearm to the ground, followed by your right forearm, while keeping your elbows directly under your shoulders with your forearms parallel to each other. During the transition, focus on keeping your hips as stable as possible to avoid rocking side to side. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your knees, maintaining a strong core and tight glutes. To return to the straight arm plank, press your left hand into the ground to straighten your arm, followed by your right hand. Ensure your body remains in a straight line from head to knees with your core engaged and glutes tight. Alternate the leading arm with each repetition to ensure balanced strength development. For example, if you started by lowering your left arm first, switch to lowering your right arm first on the next rep. Perform the exercise for the desired number of reps or set a timer for a specific duration. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.